Are you getting error NW-102379-2 on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check PlayStation Network status. When you are experiencing error NW-102379-2 on PS5, check the PSN status. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Check if PSN services are active and not undergoing any maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. And then try once again. Method 2. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should check is your internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, select network, then select test internet connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. Method 3. Restart your router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem, wait for a few minutes, turn them back on, and now check if that could resolve the issue. Method 4. Change Wi-Fi frequency bands. The error code typically occurs due to network connectivity issues. This error indicates that the PS5 console is having trouble connecting to the PlayStation network or maintaining a stable connection. To fix it, try changing the Wi-Fi frequency bands. To do so, go to Settings, then select Network, then select Settings. Next, select Set up Internet Connection. Select your Wi-Fi network and press the Options button. Choose Wi-Fi frequency bands and manually select either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz based on your needs and distance from the router. Method 5. Check the placement of the device. The next thing you should do is position the PS5 console as close to your router as you can. This reduces the distance the signal needs to travel and helps avoid connection issues. Make sure to clear any obstacles that might block the signal between your PS5 and the router. Walls, furniture, or other electronic devices can interfere with signal strength. Method 6. Choose a wired connection. When you encounter a PSN error, try connecting your PS5 directly to your modem or router using an Ethernet cable. This wired setup often provides a more stable and faster internet connection compared to Wi-Fi, which can significantly improve your online experience and may help resolve the connection issue. Give it a go and see if it makes a difference. Method 7. Change the DNS settings. The next thing you can try is change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 8. Check for updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 9. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the error code NW-102379-2 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.